Hello. Now I discuss this mixed acid fermentation. Myself, Professor Kamthani DC from the Department of Microbiology, Sri Guru Buddhi Swami College, Purna. This mixed acid fermentation pathway it is there, and this is the characteristic of this E. coli member. The glucose it is forming the pyruvate through the EMP pathway, and this pyruvate produced through the EMP pathway, this produces various types of the acids as lactate, oxaloacetate, succinate, formate, acetate, along with this ethanol, CO2 and H2. These are the different products produced, and therefore this is called as the mixed acid fermentation pathway. This pyruvate forming the acetyl-CoA, and this acetyl-CoA and the formic acid, these are produced. This further converted to the acetyl phosphate. This formation of acetate, it takes place in the 3 steps. Number 1, that is without formate formation, with formate formation and direct decarboxylation. We discuss this formation of acetate firstly by the without formate formation method. This is the characteristic of Clostridia. Pyruvate forming this acetyl-CoA and acetyl phosphate, it is produced along with the CO2. Then next, that is the with formate formation, and this is the characteristic of these Enterobacteriaceae members. Pyruvate forming this acetyl-CoA producing this acetyl phosphate plus formate along with H2 plus CO2. Then direct decarboxylation method. This pyruvate producing acetaldehyde along with this CO2. There are two types of these reactions taking place. First reaction, that is acetyl-CoA along with this orthophosphate forming acetyl phosphate, and this coenzyme A, it is also produced. In the second reaction, this acetyl phosphate which is produced in the first reaction, it gives one ATP molecule, that is the phosphate molecule to the ADP and produces the acetate plus ATP, it is produced. In the first reaction, formation of this acetyl phosphate it is there, and in the second reaction, acetyl phosphate plus ADP, this produces acetate plus one ATP molecule. Then next, that is the formation of ethanol. This half of this acetyl-CoA, it is forming this acetate, while half of this it is reduced to ethanol in 2 steps. First step, the acetaldehyde it is produced, and in the second step, the acetaldehyde is reduced to the ethanol, and this reduction it is caused by NADH2 and formation of ethanol it is there. The enzyme it is the alcohol dehydrogenase, it is there. Then next one, formation of formate. This Enterobacteria convert the glucose to formate, and this formate it is then producing CO2 and H2, and this requires the acidic conditions. Enzyme it is formic hydrogen lyase, and this formic hydrogen lyase having 2 enzymes in it, that is formate dehydrogenase and next one hydrogenase which is membrane bound. Then formation of succinate. This some glucose it is converted into succinate. Enterobacteria can form oxaloacetate and succinate from pyruvate by a reverse TCA cycle. Next, that is the formation of lactate. Some saccharolytic Clostridia, these are having lactate dehydrogenase, and this reduce the pyruvate to lactic acid, and this is requiring this iron deficient conditions. Thank you for your listening.